Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk you through the updated steps on how to post a story on Facebook. Whether you're sharing a moment from your day or creating engaging content, this guide will make it quick and easy. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged into your account. This is where all the magic begins. Next, go to your profile. You can do this by tapping on your profile picture or name at the top of the app. This will take you to your personal space on Facebook. Now look for the option that says Add to Story and tap on it. This is usually located near your profile picture or at the top of your feed. Once you tap, you'll be taken to the story creation screen. Here comes the fun part. Choose your content. You can select a photo or video from your gallery or use Facebook's camera to capture something new. Add some creativity by using stickers, text, filters, or music to personalize your story. Take a moment to edit it until it looks just right. Finally, when you're happy with how it looks, simply tap Share. Your story will now be live for 24 hours, visible to the audience you've set in your privacy settings. And that's it. Posting a story on Facebook has never been easier. It's a great way to stay connected with friends and share moments in real time. So go ahead, start creating, and let your stories shine.